Hey guys, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. Just wanted to quickly show you our 2019 Volkswagen Passat Wolfsburg Edition. The Wolfsburg Edition is special, comes with the R-Line package right here. Check inside, you got a nice black leather finish. You got a nice sunroof, and tucked away up front you'll notice that there is Fender audio. Coming around to the rear seat, Passat is a larger sedan, so you do have lots of leg space here, lots of head space. And the rear passengers are treated to heated seats and USB, as well as ventilation. One of the nicer characteristics of the Passat as well is a large amount of trunk space here. You'll see your Wolfsburg mats, but you got a lot of space here with cutouts on the left and right side to maximize all the space in the back, as well as a 60-40 split for the second bench, expanding the cargo area into the front. Nice Wolfsburg badge call out right there on this beautiful gray paint. Coming around to the driver's seat here, you'll notice power adjustability all around. All of your door switches and your window switches. Checking out the classic Volkswagen steering wheel, you'll notice all your controls here on the left for cruise control, your volume control down below, media, screen, and Bluetooth controls on the right. Behind the wheel, you will notice that you can sport shift this with paddle shifters on the back. And this vehicle comes with lane assist, rear traffic, blind spot assist, and front assist. Currently sitting at 50,273 kilometers. You'll notice up front that you do have navigation, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto if needed. Quick image here of the backup camera, and you have full parking sensors around the vehicle. A nice little touch too, down below you do have a full park assist that will help get the car into the parking spot. Down below you do have your dual zone automatic climate control and your sunroof controls up top. Once again, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. Just wanted to quickly introduce to you our 2019 Volkswagen Passat Wolfsburg Edition that we have here. Nice low kilometers, loaded with a lot of features, and ready to be the next perfect vehicle for you. Thank you for your time. Talk to you soon.